Imagine a web browser that knows you better than you know yourself. Let's dive into Arc Browser and see what the hype is all about. Straight from the city that never sleeps, the browser company from New York is stepping up to the plate by reimagining the browser as not just a tool, but a trusty sidekick for your digital journey. Remember the first time you walk into a room and everything just clicked? That's Arc for you. The clutter, it's gone. What you get is a zen-like feeling, everything just so chill. And bam! There's the command bar smack in the middle of it all. It's intuitively placed to align with your browsing habits. Ever dreamt your browser could telepathically navigate the web?
Psych!
You're gonna have to wait until Neuralink goes mainstream in order to do that. Or better yet, just wait until you can download information and skills straight to your brain. Alright, let's slide into the sidebar, your digital butler. It holds down the fort for all your must-haves and history, just a mere click away. Task juggling. Why do you have to juggle so many windows when you can have a seamless flow? So smooth, no fuss. An example on how you can use this is by making this your digital workspace. It can be as versatile as your talent, all in one spot. Full screen magic for you. In other browsers, you might feel like you're on a scavenger hunt in the dark, but in Arc, it's like the light is always on. This edges out Edge. Arc's got that concert screens vibe. You need a trio or a quartet, just hit bookmark and your band is ready to rock again anytime. So this week I've been planning my escape to the tropics while drowning on emails and googling hideaways, all essentially in one tab. Talk about leveling up your multitask game. Want to continue where you last left off after shutting down your computer? No stress, Arc's got a memory like an elephant for up to a month. Arc's not out here trying to reinvent the wheel. It's cruising on that sturdy Chromium framework, pimped out with all the extensions you know and love. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's also about resource management. Here's how Arc stands up against Edge and Chrome in CPU usage. Yeah, Arc might use a bit more CPU muscle, but it's no meathead. It's got its own gym. Task manager style, so you can bench press those background tabs right out of here. Alright, Arc isn't just a browser. It's an evolution in how we interact with the web. It's designed with you at the center. Your needs, your flow, your hustle, so you can stay dialed in. Keep an eye on Arc. It's not just coding up a better browser, but a better internet experience. It's currently a demo for Windows, however, I already made it my default. And maybe you should do the same. Till next time.